Well, good morning. I heard trees crashing all around me outside the house last night and early this morning. So let's go see what the damage is outside. I saw that one through my window. So that one fell. Just right outside the house. This one fell over on my neighbor's house. This one fell in the street, which I'm gonna try to move right now. And then over here on the other side of my house, this tree fell. And that tree over there are my neighbors. And this tree over here. And this tree right here snapped right there. And it looks like the rest of it's about to snap. So it was pretty crazy here last night. The house behind me, that tree just literally came down on top of it. Shoot. Fuck. So this is the other side. Went into the roof a little bit. You can see that on the top. So I'm here on top of my neighbor's house. And as you can see, the tree broke off on either side. Put a 3-foot hole diameter in the center of their peak of their home. I'm gonna cover it with tarps and try to keep the inside insulated. I just took all the snow out of their hole so it doesn't melt on the inside of their home. Stay safe, folks. All right, now let's see if we can push this tree out of the road so the snow plow can get through this road and get my road plowed. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to push it myself. I might have to get somebody to help me or have to chop it up. We'll see. All right, I pushed it out of the road as much as I could by myself. Damn thing was heavy.